Nice. So today's destination is Dana Point Harbor. I'm not sure how many miles it is, but it's probably something on the order of 25 or something like that. There are whales out here, and hoping they pop up again. They just went down, feeding on the bottom someplace. And hovercraft support vessel is steaming right towards me. I don't think I'd want to see this in an aggressive sort of thing. I've seen several whales on this trip, but haven't been able to get any of them on camera. The fin comes up, it goes down, they were feeding. These are dolphins that are out here. Looks like some small ones, they're just playing. Yep. Well, looks like they're going to come and hang out with the boat here, hopefully. See if I can get them. There's one. There he is, there he is. Yeah, they're going to ride the bow wave. Yeah, they're riding the bow wave. Can't get up there to see them though. Might get some behind us here. Okay, well, I've made it to Dana Point Harbor, and I got some fuel, 88 gallons I've consumed so far, which kind of sucks. And I'm at the guest slip here. I'm at slip 21, which is right next to the frickin' bilge pump out station, which means the wonderful whiff of sewage. Hopefully nobody pumps out while I'm here. So we had one casualty on the trip over here. This was a bottle of wine, and it's the cheap, or I should say the sweet stuff that Peggy likes, and it fell over when I got about 45 degrees crazy with some small swells from another boat. So Peggy and I are here with my nephew Marshall and his lovely wife Alexis and their new boat, which is a Sea Ray 260. I am 2017, right? Yeah. All right. Cool. Comes with a 5.3 Mercury engine inside of it, and we're going to take a look at that here in a second. All right. Well, correction. It's a 6.2 350, and wow, look at all the space you got in here. Maintenance is no problemo with this thing.
The dog hair.
That's incredible, and easy access to just about everything here. And you got your pump over there, which is, what is that over there?
That's your macerator pump, right?
Oh, that's your black water?
Yeah.
Okay. And then you got a water heater over there.
Water heater.
Oh, that's pretty cool. Wow, and you still got all this room, man. Jeez, that's incredible. That is really nice. Easy access to the oil filter. And the oil filter is upside down, so when you loosen it, it drains the oil out of the filter, and then it comes out the little notch there on the side. And you can easily capture the oil. That's really cool. Yeah, that's really good. Nice.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna have someone change oil for me.
Yeah.
Over double the price.
Alright, so let's go down below. Let's see what we got down here. And here's the helm station. This is nice. You got covers. That's cool. Oh, look at that. All brand new Ray Marine. Woohoo!
Oh, it comes in.
And with your autopilot's all...
We don't have autopilot though.
Oh, what's this guy here? Oh, that's
stereo.
Oh, radio. Okay. Oh, yeah, look at that. Wow. Yeah, nice. Sweet. I like these types of switches too. That's good. No plastic. I had plastic ones and they just snapped.
Oh,
Right, with the toggles, you know, they were
Yeah.
terrible. Okay, let's take a look down here. I'm trying not to
how's your family?
bump anything.
Good.
Oh wow! So yeah, I got a big double berth down here.
Mom's stuff like
That's pretty nice.
Hey, where's she at?
Lots of storage.
Seal Beach?
And you got some two big huge speakers here. That's cool. Nice windows. And oh, look at all this storage. Wow.
She's fine now.
Mm.
She can't walk like she used to. She used to use her walker now.
And the head's in there, I would imagine. Is this open or do you need a key to open this?
No, it's open.
Open.
Just push the button.
Oh, no, push the
We
button.
were in Ireland last year,
Ah.
and then all we saw
Sweet.
was McCarthy this.
Yeah.
So nice.
Blarney
I
Castle.
think, we got you a McCarthy thing.
Ah, okay. Yeah, I went to Ireland. We kissed the Blarney Stone.
Did you kiss the Barney stuff?
So the fog is rolling in here, and we're still lounging around talking.
We got to.
Yeah, first fog that I've seen since this trip. So the fog has really come in thick as thieves here. It's what is it? It's 5:30, 5:20 in the evening. It's going to be a really beautiful morning. Got a cup of coffee. And the best thing is there's no fog. Well, I've decided to take and go ahead and do a walkabout. Take Joe with me here. Try not to run over any paddle boarders. There's a lot of them out here. So, goodbye Dana Point. It's been nice. Truly. That's it. That's it for the dolphins. There's some guys on the radio saying that there is a very large great white shark up ahead in the vicinity of Huntington Cliffs, and it's jumping out of the water and eating whatever it's catching, you know. So it'd be really awesome to get a shot of that. I don't think I'm going to, but I'll try. Got a sea lion out here. He's not gonna come and say hi, I guess. The megatropolis of Huntington Beach, or Surf City, as it's known. Huntington Beach Pier. Well, I saw a fin come up, but much like the whales, it is gone. Home sweet home. There's entrance, and we got our red buoy here. We go around that. Well, here's Tiaramisu all nestled back in her slip, and here in Huntington Harbor. It's been a great couple of days, and really enjoyed it. Here's the wino towel. I hope you enjoyed the videos, and be sure to click on the subscribe button so you can see the upcoming episodes. I'm going to be doing an episode of changing the impellers. Woohoo! How fun will that be? Well, it'll be fun for me. It won't be so much fun for my nephew Matt. Alright, bye.